boy, I'm so excited! A chance to actually talk to my all-time scientific idol, Professor Sigmund Katzendussel-Dolfenberg, who's taking calls on that radio talk show. I just hope I don't wind up getting the... Oh darn, whenever I get nervous, I sometimes wind up getting all those!
Hi, Harry. What's up?
I seem to have gotten a case of...
Oh, those. Well, you know what they say about curing the... hiccups.
No. What? What the heck did you do that for?
Well, that's what they say about curing the hiccups. There's nothing like a good shock. And hey, it seems to have actually worked.
You were... saying...
Plan B time. Well, you know what they say about curing the... ups?
No, what?
We've already tried that. Oh, sorry.
No problem.
You may have already tried it, but this time, thanks to moi...
It seems to have actually worked!
Yay! You were saying? I've got the hiccups in the morning. I've got the hiccups all at night. Here comes another, and yet another. Tell me how to stop this slide. Why do I hiccup in the morning? Why do I hiccups all at night? Don't know what caused it. Wish I could stop it. Hiccups giving me a fright. I tried to hold my breath forever. I tried to wash the hiccups down. I even tried to scare myself. To stop the hiccup Plan C time. Hold your breath.